Hi, everyone. All right, we are going to continue on with our phonics lesson 2. Today, we will be working on page 9. But before we do that, I would again like to review saying the sounds in the words that we will be reading this week. So please follow along with me. I'll say the sound and you can say it after me. Here we go. E, E, oo, o. Line 2. Oo, a, I, o. Line 3. I, oo, th. Line 4. E, oo, a, o. Very good. And I would also like to quickly review the word parts that you were introduced to yesterday. Please quickly take a look at part C, paying special attention to the underlined letters. The word parts are un, dis, able, and full. All right, let's take a look at the reading passage this week. Again, you should all have page 9 in front of you. Please pause the video if you need to get your materials ready. Okay, everyone. Now, the passage this week is entitled Chuck and His Teeth. So what I would like you to do is to pause the video, read part 1 to yourself, and then resume the video, and you will hear me reading it aloud. Here we go. It was 9 and time for Chuck to go to bed. He got into bed and felt the cool sheets. He lay in bed, but he could not sleep because the moon was too bright. He got up and shut the drapes. Then he got back into his bed and went to sleep. Rats, Tom Tooth said to his sister. I was hoping he got up to clean us. That beef he had for dinner is still stuck on my back. Part of this morning's bran muffin is right next to me, too, said Nan Tooth. This is all very distasteful. I hate to say it, but it may be time for some pain. Chuck needs a boost. Now, for part 1, I would like you to consider the following questions. Why did Chuck get up after he had gone to bed? And what did Chuck's teeth hope that he would do when he got up? All right, part 2. And again, you may pause the video. Please read this part to yourself and then resume the video and you will hear me reading it aloud to you. Here we go. About noon the next day, Chuck sat down to eat lunch. He felt a bit of pain in his tooth, but the pain was not bad. Then he had a drink of milk. My tooth hurts, he said with a moan. Mom, my tooth hurts a lot. Can you make it stop? I can't make it stop hurting, Chuck. We will have to go to the dentist. She will check your teeth and make the pain stop. I will check with the nurse to see when we can go. Mom left the room and came back after 3 or 4 minutes. The dentist can see you at 3. For now, stay still and rest. So, questions I would like you to consider for part 2. What did Chuck tell his mother at lunch? And what did Chuck have to do? All right, let's go to part 3. And again, please pause the video and read part 3 to yourself. And then resume the video and you will hear me reading it aloud to you. Here we go. Well, Chuck, that tooth will be fine soon, said the dentist. I can also see that you need to brush your teeth more. I will clean your teeth and show you how to take care of your teeth at home. Your toothbrush is an important tool, but you must use it more than you have been. Let me show you, she said as she started to clean Chuck's teeth. I feel so clean and fresh, Nan Tooth said. It's a shame we had to do it that way. Tom, I feel bad about it. Chuck is smart, Nan, said Tom Tooth. I think he will brush us more now. He needs us as much as we need him. I bet we will have a clean and neat home from this day on. All right, and questions I'd like you to consider for part 3. What did the dentist do for Chuck? And why were Nan Tooth and Tom Tooth happy? All right, and the pictures you see at the bottom, picture 1, picture 2, and picture 3, please figure out which picture goes with what part of the story. Write the correct number under each picture. When we come back together, we're going to discuss it. Nice job, everyone.